Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, reset done through recovery mode allows you to remove screen locks, so if you have one that you don't know, you can get rid of it this way. Now, unfortunately, this will also most likely make your device FRP locked, meaning if you are logged into your Google account and also have a screen lock, you will then need to verify one of those throughout the setup process. Now, I'll be making a video on how you can bypass this. If that is something that you're interested in, stay tuned. That is going to be basically a next video that I'm going to be recording. But for this video, I'm just doing a simple reset to remove the screen lock. So I do have a pattern, as you can see. Now, I'll mention one more thing which probably will be very crucial to decent chunk of you. So as you probably are aware, Samsung phones do have two options for accounts. So we have the Samsung account and we have the Google account. Google account, I will be able to remove. Samsung account, I might not. I have no idea. I haven't checked the bypass yet for it, but previously, old like Samsung, the older Samsungs, usually if you had Samsung account logged in, that was not bypassable. But anyway, I'm gonna mention that once I get to bypassing it, and I'll state if it's doable or not. But anyway, so jumping onto this right here, you will need a cable. So you need to plug it into your computer. So I'm gonna do that right now. Get rid of this. As you can see, it's charging and it's asking me if I want to, oh, just whatever. So anyway, so it's right now connected to my computer, and obviously if you're on your lock screen because you don't know your pattern, you will need to turn it off. And the way we do it right now is by holding power key and volume down. This is the only way you can turn off your phone, because Samsung is an annoying piece of amazing company, I meant to say, which will just make the entire process annoying as possible. So if you try to normally turn it off, just to kind of showcase this, power off, put in your pattern, like F off, because I can just hold both of those keys, right? And you want to have your screen light up because you will see when it turns off, which should be right about now. Yep, there we go. Once it turns off, switch from power key volume down to power key volume up. So I'm holding both of those keys, as you can see. Now, if the phone isn't turning on right away, I'll let go of those keys for a brief moment and then start holding them immediately right afterwards. And there we go. So this will take us to recovery mode. We can also get rid of the cable. It's not needed anymore. And here, using volume keys, you want to select wipe data factory reset. There we go. Once it's selected, confirm it with power key. Then again, using volume keys, you want to select second option. For some reason, it's in Cyrillic, Samsung technology, obviously. I can't keep one language because why would it? Again, I'm going to confirm the second option. It's going to tell us formatting data and then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, back in English. So we're going to confirm that. And this will now continue factory resetting our device in the background. Now this will take about like 2-3 minutes to finish up, give or take a minute or two. And once it's finished, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. Like I mentioned before, for me this device will be at that point locked, so I'll need to verify it. For you, it might not be if you're not logged into any kind of account. And obviously, if pattern was or screen lock was your only problem, you can most likely log in with your Google account and verify it that way, or Samsung account. But if you don't know either of those, for some unknown reason, I'll show you how you can get rid of it right after I'm done with this. So anyway, I'm gonna let it run through and come back once it's finished. Oh, that was actually quicker than I expected. So there we go. That's basically it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.